Let's say something had no color cast. Let's say this was perfectly neutral in here. What would you notice about the RGB value? They would always be the same. Now in Camera Raw, you'll get a readout of whatever color your cursor is sitting over top. So here I've got 122, 123, 126. So I can tell from that it's a little bit high in blue and slightly deficient in red, which would give it a bluish cyanish sort of cast. It actually looks pretty darn neutral to me, I dare say. But let's say it was lit more with this tungsten light over here. Maybe that was falling more onto the center of it. And I can simulate that, actually, by taking the white balance and pulling it a bit towards blue. So now this is supposed to be neutral here, but if I look at it, 146, 163, 196. If I want this image to be color balanced, well, actually, this is a very crappy situation that I set up here because it has two different light sources in it. But this little gray eyedropper here, the gray eyedropper, it won't make what you click on white, it'll just make it neutral. It'll average out those RGB values. So grab that little gray eyedropper and click on one of those gray patches in there. Anything you click on becomes neutral. You notice that it tries to average out those RGB values. You've got 124, 124, 123. It's certainly close enough. So that's how that would work. You'd take a photograph of somebody holding a gray card in the first image, then you'd chuck the gray card, and then you'd use that correction from the gray card image on all the subsequent shots that you did, and that would gray balance everything.